All right, this is my 2-year review of Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2. All right, so these are the headphones. All right, and as you can see, they look quite worn out. Now, I typically use these headphones every day, and eventually they look like they've been worn a lot. I have not always used this case right here. This is a protective case that it comes in, as you can see. They have scratch marks on the back where it starts to wear down a little bit. But one thing to note that I'm actually getting replaced, and I'm actually going to put up a video soon about it, is the headphone pads. I pretty much wear this every day, kind of sweating a little bit. And as you can see that these have definitely worn out. As you can see right here, they're starting to come off. I actually ordered a new pair. They should be arriving soon where I can put the replacement. You see they're coming off slightly, like right there. Just go ahead and peel it off, and that's the headphone right here. So after about 2 years of using this, the quality still sounds great. I did notice, however, some interference when I have it connected to more than one Bluetooth device at a time. There's some sort of interference, but the sound quality is great. And so after 2 years, they're pretty much, the pads are falling off. I actually ordered some new ones. You can actually get some cheaper pads on Amazon. I'll show you a link where you can read about those. I don't recommend those because, I mean, if you're going for a high quality product, you might as well go with what you had. But check the description part of the page. I'll leave a description of the cheaper pads that I'm talking about. I actually ordered the higher end pads, the pads that come with this, replacement pads to go on this, because I want to have that same comfort level that I got when I first bought these headphones 2 years ago. So besides that, as you can see, the ear pad is worn out, falling apart. Think one notch or something broken here because these spin around too much, but it doesn't really affect the sound quality, and it still plays as normal. But that's just one thing to look at. This is coming back. I'm just gonna have to do some repair work. So the pads that I got replaced are about $40. Now Amazon, you can get it for, I think it's like 10, 15 bucks. I'll leave a link down there so you can look at it. But I chose not to get those pads. I tried to get the pads that came with it because I want that same comfort feeling. I thought about buying a new pair of Bose Quiet Comforts. They actually have a 700 series that came out. I didn't get that. I was just like, okay, I can pay, about $400 for a new pair of headphones, or I can pay like 40 bucks to get the pads replaced and have a little bit of scuff marks, and I chose the latter. As far as the scuff marks come on, I might have to spray paint these or do something, or get a magic marker and like darken them up, or just leave it like it is, because I don't really care about like how it looks. I just care about the quality of the sound. But I will, if I could recommend anything that anyone does, is keep them inside of your protected case at all times when you're not using it. It'll make them last a little bit longer. The headphone pads, however, will wear down eventually, so that's something that you can pretty much expect. All right, so if you have any questions about this at all, please let me know. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.